Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to show you a system where you can earn money extracting emails. Okay, so it's not only extracting emails, but I'll also show you what to do after you extract these emails from this software. Okay, so now this software is very powerful. You can get this software from topemailextractor.com. I'll leave the link on the description and also somewhere around this video. So this is an email extractor software where you can extract emails from search engines, Yelp, Twitter, Google Maps, websites. Okay, for Facebook I use another email extractor tool which can extract emails from Facebook groups, and that is also a wonderful tool. I'll just leave a description. I'll just leave a link on the description of this video below. Okay, so make sure you go and click that link to get the software. Okay, so whether you want to get this email extractor or that one. Okay, so just keep watching this video because I'll show you how to make money using this system. Okay, so now it's newbie friendly, and this video is only for education purpose. Okay, so I do not guarantee how much money you make, but my results were good, and I'll just show you the steps, the methods which I'm using to make money with this method. Okay, so first of all, let's go and click this search by keywords. So in order to extract emails, you need to know your audience. That means what product you want to promote. Okay, so if you do not have a product, that's okay, because I'll show you a place where you can go and get products to promote. Okay, you do not have to create your products, you do not have to buy those products. Okay, you just have to sell those products and you will make a commission up to 85%. Okay, so if you are new to this, just go and insert the keywords which I just showed out here. I'm in the make money online niche because everyone wants to make money, so I found that this niche is the best niche for newbies, whether it's newbies or advanced. Okay, so there are other niches like survival niche, health niches, then other niches also like yoga niches, gadget niches. There are lots of fashion niches, etc. Okay, so now niche is a topic. Okay, niche is a category actually. Okay, so if you do not know what a niche is, okay, so just insert the keywords out here, select the countries. Okay, so I'd love to select United States because most of the sales happen from this country. Okay, so you can also go and narrow the searches, but if you are newbie, just leave it as it is. Okay, so just click OK. Now what this software will do is that just go to the Q tab out here. You can see that the software has generated a lot of URLs from Google, Yahoo, AOL. Okay, and these are all related to making money online, work from home, whatever keywords which we have inserted. You can see out here all these URLs. Okay, so now these URLs will be continuously generated out here, and the software will extract emails from these URLs. Okay, so now the emails extracted will be of people who have commented out there, who have created an account out there, who are also the owner. Okay, so you can filter all this on this setting tab out here. Okay, so you can filter the emails according. Okay, so if you only want Gmail emails or if you only want Hotmail emails, you can do that using this software. Okay, so now let the software do the work. I'll show you how to. Okay, let's go to the results first. Okay, now it will start extracting emails and populating out here. Okay, so you can leave this software open for 3 to 5 hours to get at least 5k emails. Okay, so we are going to send bulk emails to these people promoting a product from ClickBank. Okay, so head over to clickbank.com. so if you do not know what ClickBank is, ClickBank is a website where you can find products to promote in a lot of niches. Okay, so you can see betting niche, business and investment niche. Okay, so you can just let this load. Okay, you'll find a lot of offers. Okay, so you'll get initial payment this much and recurring this much. That means once you make a sale, you'll make $49.26. okay, initially, and recurring is very powerful because once you refer 100 people from the second month, $600 straight to your bank account without doing anything. Okay, so now this is about forex trading, but since you are new, I want you guys to go with the e-business and marketing niche. Okay, so now this is a very good niche where you can find lots of offers to promote. Okay, so make sure that you sort it out by gravity. When you sort it by gravity, the offer. Okay, so it's asking me to re-log in. Okay, so okay, so when you sort it by gravity, the offer that is on the top is the offer that gets a lot of conversions. Okay, you can see the gravity score out here. Okay, but I love products which are around 100 gravity, because these offers are not over promoted, and this offer converts very well as well. Now this is a low offer, that means the gravity is very low, so I'll avoid that one. But this one is 38, it's still low, but since the average earning potential is more, so I love this offer. Okay, so in order to promote, you just have to click this promote now button and click create hop links. Okay, so when you click this link, you'll get a link. Now this is the unique link to you. Okay, so after you create a ClickBank account, this will be a link unique to you. That means every sales happening from this link, you'll make a commission. Okay, so you'll make a commission of $17. Then from the second month, you'll make $39 from that one person. Okay, so imagine just making 100 sales from the second month, you'll make $3,900 passive income. Okay, so if you cannot create an account on ClickBank, because sometimes ClickBank do not accept new users, you can just go to Digistore24. It's similar to clickbank.com. Okay, so and it has it has a lot of products from ClickBank. For example, if you go to email marketing, you'll see this one. Okay, perpetual income. We just saw this offer on ClickBank as well. Okay, so it's the same thing. So you can promote this offer from Digistore24. Okay, so it's very easy and clear. First, okay, I'll just stop this. First is that we extract emails using this software. Use this email verify tool to verify these emails. Okay, that means you can remove the duplicate emails, you can remove the fake emails, you can remove emails that are not feasible. That means they are not real. Okay, so this software also has the AI, artificial intelligence, to remove all those fake emails. Okay, and last but not the least, users have to send emails to make money. Okay, so we'll be sending emails to all these people promoting products from ClickBank or Digistore24. So it's very easy. You extract emails, you find products to promote, you send emails. Okay, so it's just 3 steps. Okay, so but in order to earn more money, okay, I'll just show you. Wow. Okay, before that, you just have to promote ClickBank or Digistore24 offers. You just have to email these people. Okay, so if you do not know how to write cold emails, so what I'll do is I will send you pre-written emails. Okay, pre-written cold emails for you guys to send. Okay, so I'll also send you subject lines that gets more than 70% open rates. Okay, I'll send you 100 subject lines which I use normally to get a lot of open rates, and I'll also give you my pre-written emails, so that you know that those are all high converting emails. Okay, so that means if you just send emails to this list, you'll make money. Okay, so it's very easy. But I just want to show you one more thing while sending emails. Okay, so nowadays ClickBank do not allow us to send cold emails, direct linking. Okay, so you need to create a bridge page. What is a bridge page? Bridge page is a landing page. Suppose when you are emailing, you link to the landing page, and in the landing page you have to promote this offer. Sorry. So if you do not know how to write, I know I'm also a newbie, I do not know how to make landing page, so I use GetResponse. Okay, now this GetResponse is very easy. You can sign up for free, and it will just cost you $1 in the first month. Okay, so you can write you can see out a powerful simplified tool to send emails. You can also send emails using this tool. Now this is not for cold emailing, this is for warm emailing. That means it is for the normal emailing. Okay, so you can create as much pages as you want, and you can automate your marketing using this. Okay, so suppose you are sending emails to these people. Okay, now so after the first email, no one is going to buy. Okay, you need to automate it with you just have to schedule for 5 emails, or let's say 10 emails, so that people continue to read your emails and they'll buy in your 3rd or 4th email. Okay, so in order to automate your system, you need to GetResponse. Okay, so I'll also show you how to set up GetResponse, but first of all, go and get this software, start extracting emails, maybe send some emails, and start making money. And so after that, you can go and make this landing page. Okay, so so if you want to earn from the first day, start, go and get this software as well. Okay, I'll leave the link on the description for all these softwares. I want you guys to go and take action. And remember, if you want to extract emails from Facebook groups, okay, so you just have to find targeted Facebook groups related to, let's say, yoga lovers. Okay, so go to a Facebook group called yoga lovers, and if you want to extract email addresses of people who have liked yoga, those are very highly targeted emails. So if you want the only Facebook email extractor tool, I'll also leave the link on the description below. Okay, so I wish you good luck, and I'm always there to help you. So once you get this software, I'll be sending you an email. Remember, I'm just a simple guy who loves to help you. Okay, so I'll send you an email where I'll help you with whatever doubts, whatever hurdles you may have. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video till the end. I take your leave. Please take action, and after you start making money, please go and help others as well. Thank you, and bye bye.